In this video, I'm going to show you every single thing that you need to do to improve your profile and your proposal strategy so that you can make thousands of dollars every single week through Upwork, get a bunch of views, invitations, and all that good stuff so you can change your life, travel the world, do what I did. So if you don't already know, my name is Ryan. I've been teaching freelancing for 6 years on YouTube. We just hit 6,000 subscribers today, by the way, of when I'm recording this video. And I really want to explain everything that you need to make, thousands of dollars, land big $9,000 clients like this, $3,400 in a week, 56 invitations in 30 days. I mean, nobody's getting results like this on Upwork, to be honest. And I want to explain what am I doing differently, what are me and my students doing differently, and how you can implement it too. So let's get straight into it. First and foremost, the main thing that I have kind of coined in the Upwork space is personalization. Upwork is filled with people that are just using ChatGPT responses, not putting any effort in. And if you do that, you will not get any results. And still to this day, I have about 80 to 100 people apply to work with me every single month through the mentorship program. And the first thing I ask them is, show me your profile. Show me some proposals. And when I look at it, what do I see? No personalization and just very almost like a half-assed attitude towards Upwork, right? How can you expect people to want to work with you if you can't even be bothered to put effort into your proposal or your profile? So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to completely change your mind around Upwork, which is I want everything that you do to be about personalization. I want you to really try and stand out here. If we do this, it will help you a lot in terms of landing clients and just standing out from the pack, especially in the beginning when you don't have a perfect profile, when you have a lackluster profile, let's say, and you're a beginner. All that you have is the ability to be personal. Now, what do I actually mean by that? Let me make it practical. The first thing is very personalized proposals. Now, I have a whole video on my YouTube channel about how to send personalized Loom videos. People literally would make courses about this and charge $300. I'm giving it away for free. It's one of my most viewed videos on YouTube. So go check that out. I'll put a link for it somewhere on the screen. And the second thing is you can also do personalization on your profile. So really make your profile stand out. Still look at the top profiles in your space. And then from there, deduct from that, copy what they're doing, but then personalize it, iterate on it. Don't just copy people. And please, for the love of God, don't use ChatGPT in your proposals. There's loads of people that are going to try and sell you the idea that you can send AI automated proposals and land clients. It just doesn't work. If you want to land big $9,000 clients, if you want to make $10,000 in a week from Upwork, good luck doing that with ChatGPT responses. Okay. And by the way, when you do this with your profile, you don't even have to send proposals anymore. Just so you understand, we got to, I think, $11,000 on the Upwork challenge, $12,000, and maybe even as high as $13,000. I don't even know because it's still ongoing right now. And I sent 15 proposals. So with really good personalization, you can stand out. The other thing that I think really moves the needle is fast response and apply times. If you're a beginner, that means, and if you're on Upwork and you're a beginner, it's likely that you have more time than money, right? Because there's loads of ways to make money, right? You could do crypto like I did. You could, run an agency. You could, go sell shoes for God's sake. You could do whatever you want, right? But if you're on Upwork and you're trying to make money, you probably have more time than you do money. So I really want you to focus on doing fast responses and applying quickly as well. So if a new job comes out that's really good fit for you in your niche and your skill, go for it. Apply for it immediately. I used to sit on my mum and dad's kitchen table and just sit there and wait and refresh. It's a lot easier now with some tools that we have available to us with Upwork, right? But I used to just sit there and refresh, drinking some fucking Diet Coke or whatever, right? Now, if you do that, you will land clients because if you're the first one to apply, they're the first person, there's nobody else to compare you to. And with Upwork, you have to think about the mindset of somebody on Upwork. They're there because they're busy business owners. They're trying to outsource something. So if you immediately reach out to them and then use massive personalization, so you send a Loom video saying, hey, I can do this for you. They're like, shit, okay. They're definitely going to at least message you back. And when they message you back, you can start following up with them When you follow up with them, you can start closing them. So really try to respond as quickly as possible and also apply to the jobs as quickly as possible. The other little thing I would say with this is just get the Upwork app on your phone. That will also really help you because you can then get notified when it's available if you're like outside or whatever. I pretty much run my whole Upwork agency from my phone, to be honest. Like when I'm just chilling, I'll be watching TV or something and I'll just check my phone, shoot a few messages off, close a few clients. The other thing, use examples. It's funny, like when I got into AI automation, the first thing I did was look at the top profiles and just steal the previous work that they've done. When I say that, with a caveat, right? I'm not copying. I just looked at what they do. I'm like, oh, these guys have some, automation AI flow thing. Oh, they have a screenshot of this. Let me just go make my own. And I just went and made my own. Even like with NAN, for example, I'm gonna give you some mad source. NAN like gives you 7,000 templates for automations. Just throw them on your profile. That's what I did. That's what I get my students to do, and it works. People will assume you're an expert. So use examples. The other thing is don't overthink the copy. What I mean by this is the description on your profile, honestly, doesn't really fucking matter, respectfully. Like, I don't even think, because I can't see it, but I'm like convinced after 6 years of doing this, I've went from 0 to 15K per month. I took 3 years off, 0 to 9.6K in 40 days. Now we've just done it again, 0, took like years off, 0 to what? 13K in like 15 days. I don't know. This is just purely speculative based on my experience. I get the feeling that clients don't even scroll the whole profile. They just see the title, they see the first paragraph, they see your profile picture, and they see if you're top rated JSS and how much you've earned. That's it. I don't even think they're really scrolling that far down, right? So don't overthink the copy too much. Just get it done. I had a student who joined my mentorship program, and for some reason, right, it's super rare, but for some reason, this guy took maybe, I think 2 months to get his profile done. This is something that like you can do in a few hours, right? He just super, lazy, he wasn't taking it seriously, right? And it took him 2 months to make his profile. It's like, you don't even need to overthink the profile building thing. Just get it done and be quick, okay? And steal clients' view. So what I mean by this is, in terms of, what's the best way for me to explain this? So I want you to be able to see what it looks like from the client's perspective, right? So if I go to Upwork right now, right? If you have a quick look with me, and we go to my Upwork account here, you can actually put a fake job out and you can see what it looks like from the client's perspective, right? So if I let's say for example, I want to do go high level expert needed for a funnel format, right? You can see all of the potential people, and this is what it looks like. So that's why I always talk about, hey, the first few lines that in your proposal are important, because you can't even see any further than that. This is what it looks like from the client's perspective. This is just invaluable information to have at your disposal to know that, oh, okay, this is what it looks like from the client's perspective. And from there, you should optimize your profile. If you notice that your profile picture doesn't stand out, or you notice other people's profiles pictures don't stand out, don't do it. Which one of these stands out the most? Probably this one, right? Israel. Even though this profile is rubbish too. It's the best. It's the better of a few evils, if you will. So steal the client view. And lastly, be very, very picky. Most of the complaints and most of the confusion that I get around Upwork, there's two main things that people say about Upwork. They say it's too expensive, and they say it's full of low-paying clients. So how do you fix that? Because first of all, that's not true. Because if that was true, then how did I just go from 0 to 13K in a month in 15 days with $9,000 clients, $1,500 clients, with never using that profile before, and immediately start getting tons of impressions, tons of invitations. And if there's low-paying clients, why am I getting 56 invites and it's been 20 days? Do you know how much that is? That's 4 or 5 people messaging. That's absolutely insane, by the way, to get that much inbound. I don't even get that much inbound from my YouTube channel. Do you understand what I'm saying? I get about 80 to 100 applications a month for my mentorship. So I get less applications on my YouTube channel with 6,000 subscribers, which is very niche, than I do on Upwork. It's absolutely insane if you really think about that. Just keep that in mind. So be very picky with your proposals, right? I want you to send very personalized proposals to the jobs that you feel are relevant, the jobs that you think are good. That's something to keep in mind. And to be honest, if you just do all of these things and mostly just focus on massive personalization and fast response times, if you do that with a good profile and you're picky and choosy, you're gonna win. Like, it's really easy. Like, I did this Upwork challenge thing where I went from 0 to 13, 15K, whatever. We're still ongoing. I'm gonna try and get to 20K per month in less than a month, right? It's a big challenge for me. And I did this to prove to you what I'm saying on this YouTube channel works. And it actually, and to be honest, after doing this this challenge, it actually pissed me off because I came out of this thinking, well, what the fuck are all you guys doing? Because if I'm saying, hey, do this on YouTube, do this, do that, do your proposals like this, do your profile like that, make a fake job review, do your certifications like this, do your testimonials like this, everything I'm talking about on this YouTube channel, and nobody's taking action on it, it's absolutely fucking insane. Like, it's crazy to me. Like, I'm literally giving you all the source. I don't even charge for it. It's free on YouTube, and you're not even doing it. Absolutely insane. So please focus on personalization, focus on faster response times, and make a really good profile. I've got another video on my YouTube channel, which is like a 7-day kind of step-by-step guide, which you can go and check out. But honestly, it's not even that difficult. Like, I just followed what I talk about on my YouTube channel, and I just did it in this challenge, and I was able to absolutely crush it and make a bunch of money. So yeah, I'm going to do another video this week showing how to get a bunch of invitations. So, we're getting 4 or 5 messages a day from potential leads, how we're doing this, how we're making money. But yeah, this is pretty much everything you need. And again, if you want to watch a 7-day step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this, I made an hour-long video that explains everything, how to do the profile, how to do the proposals. I would urge you to go check it out. The link will be on the screen somewhere. But yeah, peace.